Welcome everyone, hit like and subscribe to never miss a game. Pawn to a4 is the best move.
Pawn to d5 is the best move.
This is a book move. The opening is called English opening. Anglo-Indian defense, King's Knight variation.
Pawn to c5 is the best move.
Knight to c3.
Bishop to b7.
Pawn to d4.
Pawn to e6 is best.
Pawn to a3 is best.
Pawn to d5.
Queen to c2.
Pawn to c5.
Bishop to f4.
Knight to c6 is good. This develops a knight. Pawn captures on c4 is best. This captures a free pawn.
Pawn captures on c5 is the best move.
Pawn captures on c5 is excellent. Bishop captures on c5 is best. This develops a bishop.
Pawn captures on d5 is the best move.
Pawn captures on d5.
Pawn to a4 is best. This offers a trade.
Pawn to d4 is good. This attacks the knight. Pawn captures on e4 is best. This is a trade. This attacks the knight.
Knight to d5 is good. This offers a trade. Queen to b3 is best. This attacks the bishop. This move gains a tempo.
Knight captures on d5.
Pawn captures on d5.
Queen captures on d5 is the best move.
Bishop to c4 is best. This attacks the queen. This develops a bishop.
Queen to d7.
Knight to g5 is excellent. Kingside castle is best.
Knight to d8 is good. Queenside castle is best.
Kingside castle.
Bishop to e7 is best. This develops a bishop.
Rook from via f to a8.
Pawn to h6 is excellent. This attacks the knight. King to f8 is best. This defends a pawn on g7.
Knight captures on f7 is best. This attacks the rook. This move gains a tempo.
Knight captures on f7.
Queen to g6 is best. This attacks the pawn. This pins a piece of the opponent to their king. This move gains a tempo.
Bishop to d5 is excellent. This offers a trade. This attacks the bishop. This move gains a tempo. Rook to f8 is best. This develops a rook.
Bishop captures on d5 is the best move.
Queen captures on d5.
Rook to a5 is best. This attacks the queen. This pins a piece of the opponent to their king. This move gains a tempo.
Queen to b7.
Rook from via a to a8 is best. This develops a rook.
Rook to d8 is best. This develops a rook. By placing the rook on an open file, it controls important columns.
Queen captures on g7 is best. This captures a free pawn.
Pawn to d3 is good. Rook to d5 is best. This offers a trade.
Rook to f5.
Queen to b3 is best.
Rook captures on f7 is best. This defends a queen on g7. This pins a piece of the opponent to their king. This creates a checkmate threat.
Queen captures on f7.
Queen captures on h8. Check is best. This creates a fork on pawn. And king. This captures a free rook.
Queen to f8.
Queen to a5 is best. This defends a rook. And bishop on a8. And f4. This pins a piece of the opponent to their king.
Pawn to d2 is best. This offers a trade. This attacks the rook. This move gains a tempo.
Rook to d8 is best by placing the rook on an open file. It controls important columns.
Queen to f6 is best. This offers a trade.
Queen to h5. Check is best. This defends a rook on d8.
King to f8.
Bishop captures on d2 is best.
Rook to d6 is the best move.
Bishop to c3 is best. This defends a pawn on b2. This attacks the queen.
Rook captures on d1. Check is best. This is a trade.
Queen captures on d8 is best.
Queen to f5 is the best move.
Pawn to g3 is best.
Pawn to h5 is the best move.
King to G2.
King to E8 is excellent. Queen to G6 is best. This defends a pawn on H6. This pins a piece of the opponent to their king.
Pawn to H3.
Queen to E4, check is excellent. Queen to E6 is best. This defends a pawn on H6.
Queen to F3 is best. This offers a trade. This attacks the queen. This blocks a check to the king with a piece. This move gains a tempo.
Queen to E6 is excellent. This defends a pawn on H6. Queen to H7 is best. This defends a pawn on H6.
Queen to H5. Check is excellent. Queen to G4 is best. This offers a trade. This attacks the queen. This move gains a tempo.
King to D7.
Queen to G4 is excellent. This offers a trade. This pins a piece of the opponent to their king. Queen to F3 is best.
Queen captures on G4 is the best move.
Pawn captures on G4 is best.
Pawn to C4 is good. King to E6 is best.
Pawn to F4 is the best move.
Bishop to C5 is the best move.
King to A2 is the best move.
King to E6 is good. King to C6 is best. This defends a bishop on C5.
King to A2 is best. The game is over. White wins.